everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to do something simple and fast. Hopefully it's fast. I get long-winded, so hopefully this one is fast. So, cucumber onion salad. Family favorite of mine for years and years and years. I'm going to reproduce it next here for you. Simple, easy, works great for your barbecues. Whatever you're doing outside. That's next here on Cooking with Corey. Alright peeps, our ingredients are as follows. Some milk, some cucumbers, some onion. It doesn't have to be red, purple, you can use white. Some delicious Hellman's mustard. Some sugar. You're going to need a knife, and you're going to need a peeler. You're going to need some salt and pepper. And we go back here. This is for Rexy. See Rexy? My candle makes noise. It's a pretty cool candle. Alright, everybody, we have taken the peels off the cucumbers. And we have taken both ends off of our onion. And that's where we're at right now. I'm going to take these cucumbers. Take the ends off of them, like so. I'm going to split it down the middle. To expose our seeds. You could use seedless. Absolutely could use seedless. That would. Then I'm going to take a spoon. I'm going to take this out like so. And we'll do that. We'll chop up some veg next and we'll put it together. Let's finish this thing off and get it on a plate. Well, we're gonna leave it in a bowl. There's no way in heck I can make this thing look good, so it's gonna be what it is. So we got our mayo, and we are going to do 1, 2, 3. Obviously heavy tablespoons of mayo in there. And we're going to add some whole milk. You skim, do what you want. I would say 1/4 cup. We're going to add some salt, and we're going to add some sugar. I would say 2 teaspoons, obviously, some fresh cracked pepper goes into the mix because it always does. And a decent amount, because you want some pepper running through there. And obviously you could add whatever you want to this. This is just the way I do it. You don't have to. Time to break out the whisk. Bring this little mixture together here. And it's going to act like it doesn't want to come together, but we're going to make it. Because that's what we're doing here. Alright, looking good. I should probably taste that. See how it tastes. The thing is here, you want it to taste bigger than what it is at the moment, because it's going to be flavoring a lot of stuff that's full of water. So, it needs more salt. I can tell you that right off the bat. I think the sweetness is fine, but alright, it's looking good right there. Alright, so let's switch this out. Oh, I was wrong. That's not what we're doing. Oh, that's supper. Never mind. Alright, never mind. Here, I got it over here. There we go. There's our cucumbers and onions. Looking good. So, this goes over the top of them. That is our dressing for our fresh cucumber and onion salad. And we are going to give that a little toss. And that's how quick and simple this recipe is. I want this for my mom. And it's one of the go-to recipes that I use a lot, especially in the summer. Especially for barbecues, grill outs, whatever. This recipe rocks. So there it is. It's putting on everything. Everything's look good. Only problem I have with this recipe, guys, I cannot make this look good. So I'm gonna, have to do my best to make this look pretty for y'all, and give you a good thumb. There we go. I got it nice and incorporated. And you know what? That's all you really can do. We're just gonna add some parsley to it. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And a little more fresh cracked pepper to it. There you got it, guys. Simple cucumber and onion salad. Simple, simple, simple. Can't beat it. Mayo, milk. So how you like your consistency of your dressing going. Salt, pepper. Hey, that's a quickie with Cookie with Corey. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you try to make it, tweak it. You can add some hot peppers to it. You can add some bell peppers to it. You can add whatever you want to it. Hey, thanks for stopping by Cooking with Corey, and we'll see you next week.